Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Quest 2 and confirming firmware via the Oculus app. This ensures software isn't causing blur. Once done, wipe lenses with a microfiber cloth. Small particles cause soft focus. Next, loosen the strap and position the headset so the lenses sit centered over your eyes. Move it up or down until the display looks uniform. Make sure the headset feels snug but not tight, because distance to the lens directly affects clarity and comfort. You now focus on getting your eyes perfectly aligned with the optics. Use the physical IPD slider to choose one of the 3 positions. Each click changes the lens spacing and can dramatically sharpen focus. Once set, fine-tune by tilting the headset forward or back and sliding it slightly up or down. Tiny adjustments change the focal plane. If you wear glasses, insert the official spacer or prescription lenses to maintain correct eye-to-lens distance. These fixes you finish by restarting the headset to apply any setting changes and then reevaluate clarity. If visuals improved, keep the fit and IPD position you used. Make a mental note of the exact placement. If you still see persistent blur, try a factory reset as a last software step, but back up your account first. If problems persist after that, inspect lenses for scratches or internal damage. Persistent optical issues may require support or lens replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.